Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Proof, which is the best social app to increase conversions. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description that you can use to get extended free trials as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So right now you can see we are on its dashboard, and here you can use this to simply boost up your credibility and hot streaks. So you can see hot streaks show the total number of people who have recently taken action on your site. Great for high traffic pages such as content opt-ins and webinar registrations and free trials. So this platform is going to be providing you the essential tools to convert your conversions into sales and potential clients. So everything is going to be provided by them. You can also create scarcity with live visitor count, so you can keep the track of who is basically visiting your site, what are they trying to search, and what actions they are performing. So that will eventually end up creating you a statistical view of everything that you can use to get the conversions. So you can also boost confidence with recent activities. So recent activities could also be used to monitor different type of actions used by the visitors. So yeah, now the platform is easy to use, custom settings, beautiful analytics. As we discussed in most of our videos, the platforms have a nice dashboard and beautiful analytics. Also, it has Zapier integration, so send conversion events from your CMS via Zapier and customer webhook. So this could be really utilized for that. Now, make sure to try this platform out because this is literally going to be providing you a lot of value to your business. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this video, and I hope you like it. So make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trails and exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.